Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay for a funding pips account using Binance. So first of all, you need to come here on fundingpips.com. Afterwards, you can just simply scroll down and look for any of the plans that you want to purchase. So you need to simply click on the option of the buy challenge and you will be landed on the next page. Now over here, you need to simply click on the option of buy now. Then on the checkout page, you just have to review your details, and basically in order to conclude the payment among the given payment options, you need to simply select the option of crypto. Now you can use the coupon code that is given in the description in order to get 20% off on your purchase. So after selecting the option of crypto, you just have to click on the option of continue to the payment. Now when you land here on the payments page, it is going to show you this particular option. So over here you need to select how do you want to pay with. So you can pay with USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum. So you need to simply select that. Then you are going to get a QR code and the deposit link. So you need to get that link and the code. Then you need to launch your Binance application. Click on the option of wallets or assets in the bottom right hand corner. Then in the overview section, simply click on the option of withdraw. Now over here, when you do this, you just have to simply select the cryptocurrency, which in our case would be, let's say, USDT. So you need to simply select that, then select the option of send via crypto network. Then you will be shown this type of form in front of you, where in the address section you need to add that particular address which will be shown to you by funding pips. Afterwards, in the network, you need to select the same network again that will be shown here on this particular page. Afterwards, simply enter the same amount that you are basically requested. Then review these details and simply click on the option of withdraw. Now as soon as you do this, you will be landed on the next page where you need to confirm your order. Just make sure that the address and the network that you have added are correct. Then click on the option of confirm. So this way you will be able to basically proceed with the checkout and make the payment with the help of Binance, and you can purchase your account here on funding pips. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.